So, hi. Ikaw na. Ikaw mag-intro.
Hi, Mana Mega.
Oh.
How you call it again?
You're going to season the meat.
We're going to season the meat,
The bukog.
the bukog.
Mm.
That's why I put this.
Yeah, first you put
What?
asin.
This asin?
Yeah, this one, that one is asin.
This one too?
Yeah, just wipe one by one.
What's that doing?
No, just like that, Corty. Okay, flip the meat. Flip it. Okay. Like that. Then next, you put a little bit that one. Okay. We just make like that. Then flip it. Flip it. Okay. Then now mash it. Mash it. Mash. Like that.
Massage it?
You massage, yeah. Massage it. Okay. Now, I will have your
What about the blue?
okay, wipe your hands there. Okay. And then put
What
the
about wash my hands?
huh?
Wash my hands.
Okay, wala ka arte nimo oy. Okay, then padara po. Okay. Now, put the garlic. Put the garlic.
This garlic?
No, this one, the powder. Do not make like that. Just spread. You know, like that. Oh, flip the
I'm
one.
going to massage it.
Yeah, massage. Later na, i-massage. Okay, then next, that one. Okay. Okay, massage it now. Okay, next.
I smell like barbecue.
Yeah.
I'm not. Got it.
Okay, next.
What about the
Montreal.
onions?
No, later na inig ko lang to butang sa kuan. Okay.
What about this one?
Just one by one, Corty. Just mash.